Hello friends, now in this video we will learn on how to run Facebook ads and promote our blogger website. So this is my Facebook interface and my ads credit is 388.95 rupees. So I will click on this. This is the interface for creating ads. But before proceeding towards this video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram as well. So let's start this video. Now I will click my goal. I want my website visitors, so get more website visitors. I will click on this. So this is the page summary. Here you can give the description. Here you have to give the headline of your image. Here is the button you want the action to take, and this is the website URL. In this case, this is the target audience. So right now I will select the image that I want to promote. This is the image that I want to promote. I will open this. I will cancel this image. Okay, now I will provide here the description. Headline I will give here. Now I will scroll down and here you can select the type of button that you want. I want my visitors to go on my website, so I will click on learn more, and here I will provide with my website URL. So this is my URL of website where I have also uploaded my YouTube video of my blog. Copy this. I will paste my URL here. So URL is okay. And now I have to select my target audience. So I will click on the small pencil icon. And here you can select the gender, age. I don't want this 65 aged people, so I will make this a less. I will keep this 38. So if you are giving more money on Facebook ads, you have to select this option, browse, and select for detailed targeting. This makes you to target, and this creates you to find the exact audience. So in my case, I am only using this small amount of money, so I am giving here only two tags, that is blogger service and another one is video editing. These two potential reach are fine with me. Save audience. And now you can see people reach to 26 to 653 per day with 76.02 rupees. So total amount payable is 448 rupees. So that's fine with me. As available balance with me is 458.97 rupees. Click on promote now. My ad is being submitted. So this takes a review of about 25 hours, but usually in 1 to 2 hours Facebook verifies our ad and starts running this. So your ad is being created. We will let you know if it meets our advertising policies within 24 hours. So it is for 5 days. They will let me know within 1 to 2 hours because they say that they will take 24 hours, but in like half to 1 hour they approve your ad. So friends, now as you can see, my ad is scheduled or running about an hour ago. I had submitted this application by 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and approval I got at 5 o'clock. It took nearly about 4 to 5 hours for me to get the approval. So I'll click on this. This ad is reached 15 people in your audience. Men 57%, women 42.9%. People living in United States. So friends, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as I keep on bringing with videos related to video editing and blogging. And also follow me on Instagram. I am on Instagram as the Silly Social Media. So thank you.